Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Talkback on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, Talkback continuous spoken feedback and touch gestures may consume additional battery power. So, turning off Talkback when not needed can help conserve battery life and optimize power usage on the device, improving overall battery performance. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To exit Talkback mode, begin by swiping your device screen with 2 fingers and entering your screen lock code. Okay, next, tap on the settings option and then double tap to open it. And in this menu, you can scroll through the screen using 2 fingers. And then tap on the system and double tap to open it. So here, click the accessibility and double tap to open it. Well, from there, tap on the Talkback option and double tap to open it. And now switch off the Talkback mode. Click on Turn Off and double tap it. Okay, your device Talkback mode is now successfully switched off. By following these steps, you should be able to disable Talkback mode on your Android device. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Talkback on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.